Hello, friends and family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Mr. Nice Television. So, guys, today we are still discussing a lot of things about ESAN land. Oh yeah. So, guys, don't get it twisted. In here we speak English more than ESAN. You know why? Because a lot of people that have gone far and wide, they have forgotten many things about ESAN. So if we begin to be teaching with ESAN language, many of us might get it wrong. So for this reason, we decided to be using English language, though we will be speaking ESAN as well. Okay, so yeah, I'm about Viana. I was a little block. Mabu don't really hiri. Esama ona vai. Haoki no manya. Eki egwa release. Eka gba e woman kin. O wa sa bota mo lenya. O se mara vai na nya mabu don't really sesu. In this language, which we all know, we have 35 kingdoms. I don't know if you have heard of this before. So this is the reason why we set up this television, to enlighten just you and I about this language, mostly our children, our generation to come. We call it ESAN to the world. So my friends and family, we are Baraniko, my brothers and sisters, we are here to display how many kingdoms do we have in the ESAN land. Number one here, we say AMAHOR. AMAHOR is a town, or you can say it's a place. AMAHOR is a town in ESAN language, and AMAHOR happened to be a town ruled with a king. So for this reason, AMAHOR happened to be one of the towns in ESAN land that is being ruled with king. So also, number two here say EBELLE. Listen, every town I mentioned here have a king that rule the town. So ESAN would believe in kings. Kings rule in ESAN. So as many I will be calling, I want you to know that they are being ruled by kings. Like I said, number one, we have AMAHOR. AMAHOR, yeah. Then number two, we have EBELLE. Number three here, we have EGORO. Number four, we have EWOHIMI. EWOHIMI is being ruled by a king as well. We have EKEKENE. Next one we have EKPOMA. EKPOMA have a king. EKPON have a king. EMU, onuji of EMU. EWU, onuji. EWATO onuji. EWOSA onuji. IDOA, Ifeku, onuji. Igweben, onuji of Igweben. Ilushi, Ijelen, Irua, Ogwa, Ohondua, Okalo, Okwesan. Eme was willing at the onuji fe. I say yes, I say for Onogolo, Opoji, Uria, Urowa, Uromi, Anoji of Uromi, His Royal Highness, Aslem Ukoji. We have Udo, Uboha, Ubegun, Anoji of Ubegun, Ubiaja, Urohi, Ogun, Ujoba, Uhun, and the last but not the least, Uzea. It means really on a region, or no one who dread you. You want to differ. It means really on a in any Agbero, the Kumokube, and it actually is. Oh, they are 35 in number. I hope you count them as I was reading. They are 35 in number. So all these towns come together to form a body and put heads together. And the land happened to be ESAN land. So without all these towns, I don't know what we could have been today. I don't know what we could have been today. So glory be to God is how we meet it, and by the grace of God, I don't think we can change it, but we can always contribute, attribute, try the possible best we can to bring ESAN to the world. So yeah, about any hope. I'm going to say Bumio Seller now. I butcher days, I am to bow. So friends and family, we will call it a day here, and we'll meet very soon. Like I said earlier in my last video, please, we need your subscription, your comment, share our video, ESAN to the world. Let them know we are ESAN, Proudly ESAN. ESAN, oh yeah, ESAN ide. So I will be seeing you guys next time very soon as well. So let's call it today. But before we leave, I always pray for you guys. May the Lord also go down on motor no moku no rig me down. He said